So between bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, there should be an opening there. Modify, slice, so it's SL. Yep. And then again, to make an opening, yep. And select escape, delete. The best way for accuracy is trim, TR. Press AL, use the align tool where you want it to align to first. There's another way you can do it. So you click on that, and that's what you was using to align when you just did. So another thing is you can use this tool here. It'll take it to the corner. So if you select it, zoom into a point, first select the first and the wall, the other wall, and then select, no, go down, yeah, and then select there, and then it trims it. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. I hope it's been helpful.